Hi guys, Mike Ianosi here with a Didgeridoo tutorial about the 3 pillars of your Didgeridoo sound. Hi guys, improvising on a Didgeridoo is like telling a story where your sound is your main character. Ever wondered why people sound so differently, even when playing on the same instrument? The reason is because there are 3 pillars to what makes our sound. So the 3 pillars, they are the breath, the articulation and the connection. The breath happening down here, the articulation happening here, and the connection with the instrument, which are happening at the lips level. Now my aim with these videos is to give you knowledge, to acquire skills, so that you can improve your game through persistence, progressive playing. So the breath can only do 2 things. It can go in and out. So we can push or we can pull. The articulation has 3 parts. The vowels, which are A, E, I, O, U. The harmonics, which is everything in between U and I. So that's E, and the attacks. So the attacks are the T and K, belly attacks as well, which are done just by H, with the H, H, H sound. H, A. So connection has 4 distances. They are disconnected, weak, medium, strong, and fat lips. Exercises are repetitions of 1 or 2 sounds done in an aerobic way, meaning that you have a place to breathe so that your sound doesn't die. So your sound is like the life that you're giving the instrument, and this life, if it stops, then your character or your sound dies. So it's such a pity when your sound is dying. That's why your aim when exercising is to stay in the tempo, and using a metronome is the best for the didgeridoo because it falls in the category of rhythm and percussion. So that's it for my video. I hope it was clear and that you understood what I mean. Let me know in the comments if you like it, what you liked, or if you would like other explanations about this wonderful instrument. Bye bye.